host for today's program. I am a teacher assistant at the Kids World and it is a truly pleasure to be here with you all.
Thank you, Sadhna.
A heartfelt welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ranjana Pradeep Jaiswal, our honorable teachers and dear parents, and my lovely students. Your presence truly adds charms to our today's program.
Us together. Through music, dance, powerful performance, our student believe allow many colors that shapes the soul of the India. Before we begin today's wonderful performance, let me share a few words about the school. Kids Words Preschool Kadamboli is a place where children begins their learning journey with happiness, confidence. The school provides a safe, caring, joyful environment which children learn through play activities and creativity. Along with the education, the school focuses on the building good habits, value, discipline, and school skills in every child.
We are truly equally fortunate to have the constant support and leadership of our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ranjana Pradeep Jaiswal. With dedication, discipline, a caring approach, our respected Principal Ma'am provides a strong guidance and ensure the smooth functioning of this school.
On this special occasion, we express a heartfelt gratitude to the trustees and the principal of their valuable guidance and support.
Let us now begin this auspicious program by seeking blessing from the Goddess of knowledge and wisdom. Goddess Saraswati symbolizes knowledge, wisdom and creativity. Before we begin today's program, let us seek her divine blessing.
I request our respected principal ma'am along with the honorable guests and teachers to kindly come forward for the Saraswati Vandana.
for students, I'm saying for over the past 1 month, they are working tirelessly, memorizing the steps, perfecting expressions, and rehearsing with dedication. Your hard work has transformed this stage into a celebration of life. We are incredibly proud of the effort you put in this truly unforgettable. Thank you for trusting us with your most precious treasures. Your belief in our vision and your constant support inspire us to push boundaries and strive for excellence. Parents, this journey would not have been possible without your encouragement and cooperation. To my team, last, certainly but not the least, thank you to our dedicated staff and team members. Your endless patience, behind the scenes efforts, and unwavering commitment have made this event. Together we can create something truly meaningful for our children. A special mention goes to our choreographer.
Let us begin the colorful journey of performance by our children.
And proudly welcome Mother India on a stage, the symbol of unity and the love. Our little narrators who are Abhijit, Viren, Mariam, Abbas from senior KG class are ready to take us on a beautiful journey across the country. Let the performance begin.
And give it to me. I'll be happy again.
Let us travel around the country to collect happy colors of all states to make Mother India the most famous festival of Maharashtra. Hope you will enjoy.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु
beautiful color has been added to the Mother India to Maharashtra. A big round of applause for our little ones for that.
Now let us continue our journey to the joyful land of Goa.
Goa is a beautiful place with a blend of a Indian culture and a Portuguese heritage. It is known for the rhythm of mando music, the taste of fresh seafood curry, and the joyful energy of carnival. Goa truly celebrates history, harmony, and peaceful coastal life.
Now we welcome our little stars from nursery and playgroup to present their lovely Goa dance.
Dear audience, let us move ahead to Goa to collect the happiness from there.
Maria
The Goa performance.
Now we have something exciting for the parents. It's time for little fun and laughter. Our very own tongue twister challenge.
पेरेंट्स तैयार हो जाए अपनी स्पीड और प्रोनाउंसिएशन टेस्ट करने के लिए। मैं आपको एक ट्रिकी टंग ट्विस्टर दूंगी और आपको इसे 3 बार जल्दी जल्दी बिना मिस्टेक के बोलना है।
डोंट वरी, आपके छोटे बच्चे आपके साथ रहेंगे। तो इस गेम के लिए 1 या 2 पेरेंट्स रेडी हो जाए। जो इंटरेस्टेड है प्लीज अपने हाथ ऊपर कीजिए। पेरेंट्स, अच्छा रहेगा कि आप खुद से उठ के आ जाए।
Seashells by the seashore.
Okay, thank you. Applause for the child and for trying this tricky tongue twister.
Now let us step into a rich and grateful world of Karnataka, known for its color, folk, dance and classical music. Let's enjoy this wonderful land as our little stars from senior KG, junior KG and nursery present their performance.
और आपके अंतरात्मा में उपस्थित उस परमात्मा को शत शत नमन करती हूँ। तत्पश्चात हम बात करते हैं कर्नाटका की, जिसका मतलब है ऊंचा देश। ऊंचा देश मीन्स ट्रेडिशनल और सांस्कृतिक रूप से, साहित्यिक रूप से और आधुनिक तकनीकियों के रूप में भी बहुत समृद्ध है। इसकी राजधानी बेंगलुरु, जो आज का सबसे बड़ा IT हब है, हमारे कर्नाटका की राजधानी है। तो चलिए हम अपने नन्हे कलाकारों के साथ वहाँ के सांस्कृतिक विरासत की एक हल्की सी झांकी देखते हैं।
Our journey takes us to Karnataka, land of dance and festivals.
future of Mother India.
Tradition of Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu's culture is vibrant and rich, rooted in ancient traditions, magnificent temple architecture, and classical art forms. At the heart of this heritage is Bharatanatyam, a classical dance known for its rhythmic footwork and expressive storytelling.
This performance gives us a beautiful glimpse of the South Indian culture. Please welcome our nursery children on the stage.
Dear audience, now we are in Tamil Nadu, a land of temple and tradition.
Through this performance, one more color added to the Mother India with a new shade. Come on everyone, put your hands together. Let us now explore a land where art speaks and emotion come alive.
Bengal is a place rich in traditional music and expressive art forms. It beautifully shows creativity and feeling. Now we invite our junior class to present a charm of a Bengal,
जो हमें सांस्कृतिक और साहित्यिक रूप से बल प्रदान करता है। वो प्रांत जहाँ शक्ति की आराधना की जाती है, जहाँ हाथों में त्रिशूल लिए माँ दुर्गा की आराधना की जाती है। आधुनिक समाज में बुराइयाँ इतनी व्याप्त हैं कि हमें हर किसी में एक महिषासुर को देखना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि हर किसी में, हर बुराई में, जहाँ बुराई है, बुराई का नाम महिषासुर। और ऐसे ही महिषासुर का वध करने के लिए बंगाल में माँ दुर्गा की पूजा की जाती है। तो आप हमारे साथ माँ दुर्गा की पूजा का ये एक अभिन्न हिस्सा देखिए और आनंद लीजिए।
Now, would you like to join us? Honor Durga Puja of Bengal.
ঢাক বাজা কাঁসর বাজা উলুদে আর শাঁখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা
मेरो फुलटा सबले छय दियो मुन्चो बोले हिंसेर झले पाठ করুন তাকে ঘুরে কৃষ্ণ আই হাবু করে দিন জুনাই ছোটে সানগ্লাস চোখে বিন্দাস সারা বৃন্দাবন মারো তুমি শান্তি জলে ভাই ঘরে সব বেরোলে চারটে ধরা যায় যদি খুব জীবন ছোল মারে বস মনে হালকা করে ঢালবে চিলি সস ফোকটে ফুরকি দিল বখাটে রংবাজ নাচে মোর সেই খুশিতে সুরসুরিতে সেই খুশিতে সুরসুরিতে
been added to India's cultural rainbow. To encourage regularity and discipline, we are happy to present awards to our regular student and star student. So may I request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Ranjana Jaiswal, to kindly come on this stage and present the award. Gurbaz Singh, please come on the stage. Applause for Gurbaz Singh. Award goes to Nirvin Sawant from Junior KG Batch 1. A big round of applause for Nirvin Sawant. Big round of applause for Saisha Shingare. Big round of applause for Chaitanya Kanade. Please come on the stage.
Award ceremony. The first star student award goes to Ayush Bhavne from Senior KG Batch 1. A big round of applause. She is a junior KG student. So the star student award goes to Shrisha Davle, Junior KG Batch 1. Parents, please be on the stage. Parents of Vaishnavi Kumari, please be on the stage. Nursery batch 2. I request Shiva Shimgar parents to please be on stage.